Alright guys, it's Neil here with Wondershare FilmoraGo. We're here to help you create your videos anywhere on the go. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at how we can use keyframes in FilmoraGo to create zooms in and outs to make your videos a little bit more visually interesting. Okay, so we're going to open the FilmoraGo app and we're just going to import these two clips. I basically made a coffee earlier and just filmed myself doing it, so let's import these two clips. Okay, the first clip, I just want to zoom in when I hit the button. What I'm going to do is select the clip, select the keyframe icon, then I'm going to zoom in by pinching and dragging so that when I hit the button I'm zoomed right into the kettle. Then I'm going to create another keyframe a bit further down the timeline where I zoom out. I'm just going to delete the last part of the clip that I don't need, split and delete. And the other clip is just me pouring out the water into the cup. Get rid of the first part of the clip, and then I'm going to select the clip, select keyframe, and then I want to zoom in when I start pouring, so I'm going to zoom into the cup by pinching and dragging, and that'll create a keyframe. Then I'm going to zoom into where I finish pouring, and I'm going to select the keyframe icon again, which will create another keyframe with the same parameters. Then I'm going to create another keyframe where I zoom out. So it's going to stay zoomed in for the duration of the pouring of the water, then it's going to zoom back out from the cup. Okay, then we're just going to select a 1080p resolution and export our clip. And from here you can also share it straight to your social media channels. And that's how you can use keyframes to create zoom effects in your videos. Okay, so there you go. So that's how you use keyframes with stickers and to create zooms in and out in FilmoraGo. Hope you found it useful, and I'll catch you in the next video.